Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I package my orders. So over here I packaged one of them. This is what the packaging looks like. You can go on my Instagram and you can see what they look like. But yeah, this is all for one person. So this is the scrunchies they ordered. I just made this headband like 10 minutes ago. So yeah. And then this is the giveaway that they won. It was for a bee. Unfortunately, the time is over. I announced the winner 2 days ago, so I'm just gonna. It's like so big, but yeah. So I'm gonna be packaging this headband. This was a custom order, and the reason I didn't package the scrunchie and the headband together is I just got the yarn today. Sorry if you couldn't hear me. So yeah. First, I like to put them in a plastic bag. I have a bunch of plastic bags. I have just one right here, and it's like this thing which you like rip, and then it's adhesive. It's self-adhesive. So I just realized we hit like 60 subscribers. My friend told me and I was like, no, I didn't, but I did. So I like to like fold it like this, and then I take these ends right here and I like wrap it around. And so it's like one little bundle type thing. Unfortunately, I can't do a tutorial on how to make these headbands, because then why would people buy them if they could just make it themselves? So I cannot really reveal my secrets. So I just slide it in like that. I rip the self-adhesive thingamajig, and then I fold it like so. And then the one of the things that my customers like is the fabric packaging. So I wrap it around in fabric. I'm probably gonna like stop doing that once I run out, but I bought a lot of fabric, so this costs a lot of money. So I take the fabric and I like fold it around. You'll see what I mean. So it's like not really fabric, it's kind of like a weird material. So I figure out how I'm gonna package it, and I try not to waste that much, but I still wanna make it look good. Like these, and then I take duct tape. The only like colors I have are this, like it's like a multicolor, and I don't really like how it looks. Like the colors are nice, but they just don't look good on packaging, so I try not to use that much of it. Instead I try to use staples. This is literally so sticky, that's why I use this one. It sticks to everything. I know I'm making a video, so here are some nice colors. I think I'll just use these. Actually, it's not even gonna show anyways. Okay, so I have this piece right here. I'll just keep this, I guess. So I wrap it around. I put the tape. I actually have to. I'm gonna cut this. I don't want to waste any of that. There we go. And then it looks really bad right now because I have to fold. The ends. So I do one and then two folds, and I staple it. It's because I think it looks good. Better. Okay, like that. And I do the same to the other side. Okay, wait, I have to get more duct tape. So if you haven't seen part 1, this is like not the right like order. I was supposed to package like the velvet scrunchies in my last my episode 1, but I just sent them a long time ago. I'm just packaging this one. So this is what it looks like right now. So then it looks a little plain, so I'm just gonna take some twine. Just opening a new one, and I wrap it around. So I'm just gonna cut a decent amount right here. It's kind of hard to cut, and I like wrap it around like a present. I think I cut too much, but whatever. And I go like this. Gonna cut this excess off. And I do a double knot to make it secure, so I have it secure, and I'm just gonna leave a little. That's cute. And now I take some flowers and I like put it over here. So I'm just gonna take blue. I like to do different colors, not the same colors. So I'll do blue and pink. So I'm just gonna like wrap these flowers around here. I struggle with this part a lot, so it doesn't always look the best. So this is what it looks like. I think it looks pretty good. Then I have these like bags that I had, and so I just open them up, and there's this stuff, and then I just take it out because I don't like how it looks. I have my own way of making it. So like that. And I just place it inside. So it looks really cute. Now I have some of these, like, I don't know where they are, these hearts, and they're like my signature thing. I always put them on each order. So they're just wooden hearts. And then I take a black pen and I write "Thank you for your order." So like that. My handwriting isn't like that neat, but this is what it looks like. I wait for it to dry. So once it's dry, I'm just gonna put this underneath so it doesn't smudge. I write Anaya's Creations, which is the name of my business. So I wait for that to dry. Hopefully it isn't smudged. So once it is dry, I take my twine. And I thread it through the little hole like this, and I put it through these little holes right here. So this is just perfectly made. This, and then I take the other side and put it through the other two holes like that. So it's gonna look like that. And then at the back I just tie a knot. I just have to like make the part in the right position. So I have some excess right here, and I cut it. These scissors aren't that good. Anyways, so now it's like this, and it's like still pretty open at the top. So I just take a stapler and I staple it closed. So it looks pretty cute. So it looks plain. It looks really plain. So I have this like leaf thingy I found. I don't think I'll have enough. I think I might have just enough for this, and I like wrap it around. Yeah, I have just enough. Like just. And then I tie a knot, and I try to cover the staple as much as I can. Okay, I might have to staple it because usually I tie a knot. Oh no, are my staples finished? Okay, my staples are finished. So yeah, some leftover goes to waste. I'm just gonna open a new one. So it's like really cute packaging. It's like a little mini yarn. I'm obsessed with them. And I just kind of wrap it around. That is weird. I'm just gonna cut this part. And the leaves are made out of fabric, and then it's just like regular twine. And it's so cute, and I love it. Okay, so once I've tied the knot, I just cut the excess because I don't want them. So it's gonna be a little like hard standing it up, but actually it stands up. And I just package everything right back. I have like a whole bin. It's like behind my camera right now, but I have a whole bin behind me where I keep all my things, and it's really messy, and I wish I had a bigger one. But yeah, these are my 3 orders that I have for today. Or not for today. So the 2 normal ones, and then the 1 big one. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you